নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা তরফ থেকে আজকে ইউটিউব নাম্বার 170 দেখাবো এবং আজকের এপিসোডটা হচ্ছে নানা রকমের গিফট আইটেমের শাড়ি, ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জ শাড়ি, বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি শাড়ি এবং নানা রকম ভ্যারাইটি দেখাবো স্টার্টিং ফ্রম 2300 অনলি। সো দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে, শেষ অবধি দেখবেন। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, চান্দেরির ওপর একদম আজরাক প্রিন্টেড কটন চান্দেরি, তার মধ্যে আজরাক প্রিন্টিং করা হয়েছে, এগুলো ব্লক প্রিন্টিংয়ে হয়েছে এবং কালার কম্বিনেশনটা ইজ অন পিস্তা কালার উইথ মারুন আর নানা রকমের আর্দি কালার দিয়ে পুরোটা প্রিন্টিং করা হয়েছে উইথ ট্যাসেলস। প্রাইস 2350 অনলি, 2350। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, লাইট ওয়েট, very easy to maintain, fall is really very nice and it looks like the print, though it's only block print, not original hand ajrak, but the look and the style is that of the original one. 2350 for this block printed chanderi ajrak printed, very soft, lightweight and very comfortable sari, ideal for gifting also and for regular wear. So this comes product number 1. See the blocks closely. So this is product number 1. Okay, since this is making some sound, let me open my bangles. Now, product number 2. Again another chanderi with kalamkari block printing in the body. Midnight blue, very batik printed border. The body will be in, see, it's a traditional kalamkari block printing with pallu, tassels. 2350 again, 2350. These are all block printed chanderi with matching blouse piece in printing. So here comes the blouse piece for the sari and this is the print. Now another very nice color combination, coral with blue. Ajrak print, border, 2350. All printed chanderi, block printed chanderi are 2350. So sometimes I do ajrak, sometimes kalamkari, sometimes batik, so sometimes bandhej, but all in printing with this zigzag printed blouse piece. Very smart looking, पहनने के बाद ये बहुत ही डिफरेंट लगेगा, वेरी स्मार्ट लुकिंग ये साड़ी। 2350 प्राइस के हिसाब से ये रीजनेबल रेंज है और लुक भी बहुत स्मार्ट लुकिंग है। तो ये कोरल के साथ ब्लू कलर कॉम्बिनेशन प्रिंटेड चंदेरी 2350। इसका और एक अच्छा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी है और वो है ग्रीन के साथ कॉफी कलर। ये कॉम्बिनेशन भी अनकॉमन है और कभी कभी हम लोगों को लगता है कि ग्रीन हमारा इंडियन कंप्लेक्शन में सूट नहीं करता है, बट लेकिन ये जो ग्रीन है ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इसके बॉर्डर अर्दी टोन में है। सो ये ब्राइट कलर बीच का कलर के साथ ये अर्दी बॉर्डर अच्छा लगेगा पहनने के बाद। तो इसका भी पल्ला देखिए, इसका पल्लू पार्ट भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है, बॉर्डर की कलर का ही है, टैसल्स भी लगाया हुआ है और ये 2350 इसका भी प्राइस है। एज आई सेड, सब प्रिंटेड चंदेरी विदाउट एनी बॉर्डर और वीव, तो ये इसका प्राइस 2350 ही है। इसके साथ भी ये जिगजैग बॉर्डर ब्लाउज पीस आ रहा है जो कॉफी में है। इसमें अस्तर लगेगा, चंदेरी है इसलिए इसमें अस्तर लगेगा। इसका ब्लाउज में अस्तर देकर बनाइए। लेकिन ये ब्लाउज जो सिंस ये जिगजैग में है, ये बहुत स्मार्ट लुक देता है। तो ये जिगजैग बॉर्डर के साथ ये जिगजैग प्रिंटेड ब्लाउज और ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशन रेंज के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा। स्पेशली अब शादी के टाइम तो ये गिफ्ट देना पड़ता है, काफ़ी लोगों को फेस्टिव सीजन में गिफ्ट देना पड़ता है। तो उसी हिसाब से प्राइस रेंज हिसाब से ये स्मार्ट साड़ी है। अब आ रहा है जो हम पहना है इसी कॉन्सेप्ट में, लेकिन ये वीविंग पे है। सिंस ये वीविंग पे है, ये भी चंदेरी में है, वीविंग चंदेरी। इसमें भी एंटीक जरी का बॉर्डर वीविंग किया हुआ है। इसमें बहुत सारा प्रोसेस है, हम एक एक करके बता रहे हैं। एक तो है इसमें वीविंग बॉर्डर है, उसके ऊपर इसके ऊपर कलमकारी प्रिंटिंग है, बॉडी में भी बूटा है। ये कलमकारी वेजिटेबल प्रिंट है और इसमें लहरिया ब्लॉक प्रिंट है। तो दो तरह के प्रिंटिंग भी किया हुआ है एक ही साड़ी में। तो उसके साथ साथ इसका पल्ला के साथ साथ इसका ब्लाउज भी पूरा एंटीक जरी का वीविंग किया हुआ है। सो इसका बैक साइड देखिए, और ये ना स्टिफ साड़ी नहीं है, ये बॉर्डर जरी का है, ब्लाउज जरी का है, लेकिन बहुत सॉफ्ट इसका पॉलिश है, कंफर्टेबल है। स्किन में पहनने के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा और कंफर्टेबल फीलिंग लगेगा, जो हमारा ये मौसम ये वेदर में बहुत ही जरूरी है। स्किन फ्रेंडली, तो ये वही स्किन फ्रेंडली साड़ी है। प्राइस 4500 रुपीज इसका प्राइस है। 4500, प्रोडक्ट नंबर 5, आज का एपिसोड का 5वां नंबर साड़ी है और ये डीप ग्रीन पे है। इसका हम और काफी कलर दिखाएंगे, तो आप देखते जाइए, हो सके आपको बाकी कलर भी पसंद आ जाए तो आप कुछ ऑप्शन देकर बुकिंग कीजिए। तो ऑप्शन का बुकिंग नंबर जो दोनों स्क्रीन पे जा रहा है 7603042696 और एक 983 नंबर है। किसी भी एक नंबर पे वही पर्टिकुलर साड़ी के लिए वही नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करें, दोनों नंबर पे मत किया कीजिए, कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये दोनों ब्रांच का अलग अलग नंबर है। तो आप एक ही नंबर पे यही प्रोडक्ट का बुकिंग कीजिए। अगर ये प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है, हम लोग इसका बैंक डिटेल्स आपको दे देंगे। पेमेंट के बाद कोरियर हो जाएगा कलकत्ता में। इन कोलकाता कैश ऑन डिलीवरी हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोलकाता के बाहर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी हमारा नहीं है, तो उसके लिए आपको बैंक में ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा शिपिंग चार्ज के साथ। करने के बाद हम लोग कोरियर कर देंगे, 2 to 3 वर्किंग डेज में कर देंगे। सो आई थिंक आई spoken quite well Hindi, so thank me for that. I'm trying to use speak in all the 3 languages that I know, so you can understand, and of course there's the you can translate, there's the option of translation also. So this is product number 64500. Many of you have commented to speak in Bengali and also Hindi. So I'm trying to speak in all the 3 languages so that you can understand, but more or less, since these are the same color and the same design patterns, you can more or less understand by now what type of products I show. This is Chanderi Banarasi woven cotton Chanderi, very pretty weave, and since it's an antique zari, the coffee and the zari, see the blending is really nice. It's not that like shiny loud zari, no, it's going so well with this traditional or the kalamkari printing with all over small buttas. And with this, see, such an elegant, and only 4500 range wise the look is really pretty. And only niche mein the lower part will have the daman block printing, and the blouse will be fully woven like that of the pallu and the border. See, the overall sari is really very pretty, especially this block that we've given. It's on self leheriya block, so overall look is coming out to be really smart. This is the 3rd color, blue. Very gorgeous, very comfortable, as I said, skin friendly. and traditional because it has kalamkari as well as Banarasi weave in a single sari. 4,500 for this with again woven border. You can make this kind of blouse like I am wearing. So it goes with a lot of saris, these black antique gold blouse with lovely weave in the body, butta, border, and overall the print of the color combination, see, really nice. So lot of we discuss with the weavers, the karigars, how the look will come. With each episode I try to show something different, something new, so you can understand how much with alternate day we doing the episode, how much work and how much involvement is there in creating these products. So we may be doing little bit delay in answering your messages, but as far I'm trying my best to do those as soon as possible, because now there are many messages that come every minute. So see, this is the same color combination that I'm wearing, but this is in kalamkari print. This color is equally nice. It's in burgundy color with red combination, and this kalamkari printing is also very nice. Kudos to my team, really well done. And I think on wearing it, the picture will come out well, and the overall comfort level, as I'm saying, it's so comfortable. I'm wearing this since morning and it's really nice on the skin. Here is the sari. Same with the blouse piece. Now coming to linen, discharge printed linen, silver zari border, bold and beautiful, jet black, more gorgeous. This is discharge print in deep rust, maroon and white, milk white with jet black and silver zari. Very fashionable sari with pallu. This is the silver zari where the printing has also been done, zari and printing alternate, and price is also very reasonable. Okay, this is only 2250, 2250. So this episode the minimum range sari is 2250. So even if you want to gift somebody, you have your budget, so you can try these saris. These are very nice, pure cotton linen printing with black blouse piece. It will have the silver border, and the print is very smart actually. The lower part will be zigzag and the upper part will be with the butta, so it looks very nice on wearing. Even for yourself, when you are going out to some small gatherings and all, handlooms look really nice. These linen block prints in cotton, very comfortable. See, that was with zigzag and butta. Now here comes all over butta, again with silver zari. This is the pallu part, vegetable prints, 2250. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road near the Citizen Park, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's near the Baliganj railway station. Sundays we are closed now. Monday to Saturday we remain open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 at night. The menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch, where you can check out for our dhotis, bridal, ethnic kurtas. So these are all available, block printed dhotis and kurtas, Nehru jackets, embroidered jackets, all traditional items for menswear also. So this is also 2250. And we ship worldwide. Cash on delivery, as I said, only in Kolkata. outside Kolkata via courier, but courier charges are applicable. So this is the third print in this design, in this concept. Prices remain the same, only the prints change. All the prints are very gorgeous actually. It just doesn't look it's a 2250 sari, but trust me, it looks very, very nice on wearing. Obviously black is our all-time favorite, and black with this maroonish rust color with white. Pallu. With blouse piece, wear it with this black blouse only, border, please visit the branches for more options, but to get this particular product, prior booking is important. Otherwise you will not get the same product, because each product we don't create in bulk, because we are these keep coming, but maybe now I have maybe 4 to 5 pieces, but then if it gets sold out, then it will take a lot of time to recreate. So we do not take orders for most of our sarees, but whenever it's again available, we upload it in the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is provided. We have the Insta page Laliat Sanskriti, and also check out our WhatsApp status where we keep changing our photos, where you can check out our photos in the WhatsApp status for more options. Regularly the repeat products are uploaded there. Our comments, our reviews, our feedbacks, your feedbacks rather, are uploaded in the WhatsApp status. 2990 for this linen chanderi with woven, zari woven border, kalamkari printed border, bandhej printed body, zigzag bandhej print, kalamkari border, Banarasi woven border. So this is the process, this is the whole sari description, and the price 2990 with lovely floral printed blouse piece. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. Preview of the next day's episodes are uploaded in Facebook and also in Insta. So please do follow the pages. This is the pallu part. So this is in, see the very nice Madhubani printed pallu. So this range, comfortable sari and looks really pretty on wearing. So this is a maroonish red color. Now I have another very smart black color. These fabric are very comfortable, and it has a woven border, again with a kalamkari printed border. It's a digital printed border. See, very smart printing. The texture of the border looks so real, and the bandhej printing zigzag done in the body. Like the previous sari, this too has a very nice printed blouse piece. So see, within 3000 range, 2990, you are getting a very smart overall, very fashionable sari. Even the kalamkari printed blouse looks so gorgeous. These kind of printed blouses goes well with your cotton handlooms, with your dhakais. See, and again the Madhubani printed pallu. Another color in this, so I have made 3 colors: maroon, black and magenta. Here also the blouse will be in contrast, blue floral. Magenta and blue, and this color of the blue is so rich. Very rich color, poppin blue, kind of a royal blue and lighter blue. Now coming to what I'm wearing. Even I'm wearing a Chanderi Banarasi, cotton Chanderi Banarasi with woven blouse, floral printed kalamkari border. This is in moss green, mehendi green color. Beautiful color combination with blue and red and green. Woven zari blouse in blue. Price remains the same. The previous one I had shown with kalamkari border with a different print. This is again kalamkari border but with floral print. 4500. Now check out the colors which I'll show you. All the colors are very rich and gorgeous. Main, again and again I'm telling, is the comfort level of the sari, the comfort factor. So lightweight, even the elderly people will find it so comfortable in wearing, since these colors are, anybody can wear these colors. Yes, lovely shade of mustard and burgundy, very nice color combination. Coffee and mustard, yes. What a beautiful color combination. It's actually a turmeric color, exactly haldi color, with all over zari buta printed border. Very nice. This is the zari border in coffee. The woven blouse. Same price, 4,500 rupees. Now this is number 17, body in coffee, border in red. Very rich color combination. Number 17, 4500 with blouse piece. Even the color that I'm wearing, that is also available. See this color combination. Whenever, there are so many options for you to select from, but what should catch your eye in the first thing when you are wearing when you're selecting your sari, it should be the color combination, the fabric, the material, and it should be different. Because everybody has, I know, so many saris and these traditional wear ethnic saris in your wardrobe, but why do I get repeated customers, returning customers? Because I try to show as many different variety in each of these fabric, as much. Even the weaving is, since it's done in our loom, and we discuss the product before. Whenever we get the fabric, we do a lot of experiments, we do a lot of there is experiments, there is wastage, and then ultimately the final product which is shown to you. But I know what goes behind all these creation. So it's my immense joy, I find immense joy in showing these creations. So much of thought process has been gone into this. See, midnight blue and red color combination. the weaving was done in such a way so that I get some place to do the printing. So I asked my weaver to do the border here, leave this part and then create an outline border so that the printing can be done in between. So all this, you know, what to say, if you like the products, please do like, share and subscribe. Please you know, leave a comment if you find them interesting. This I've done another little bit of experiment. This I did a little bit printing on top of this thing. So this is, the previous one had left it solid. In this red one I did a bit of self printing and the border is again navy, but this is A and B. You have the option of a solid color also, with a red woven border again and red woven blouse piece. So here comes the blouse piece for this. Here comes the border and the pallu. So this is A. The same thing I have in B, this one. So you can select whichever you want, A or B. This has a self texture. So both are available. Just take the screenshot of the product. This is 19B. And 19A. And the one that I am wearing, this is also available. Burgundy with mustard with this woven black blouse. 4500. 4500. The neck piece along with this jhumka is 4500 for the neck piece and the this earring, the whole set. It's a full length with stone setting. $4,500. See, the design is so nice. The ring, statement ring that I'm wearing is 2,500. It's a very heavy quality, very well finished, well cut, premium quality statement ring. 2,500 for this. And the bangles, 995 for a pair. 995 burgundy color with polki setting. Pair is 995 rupees. I have many colors in this. 995 pair. Okay, now coming to saris. Now these are semi-silk saris for gifting purpose, for regular wear, good quality. Doesn't mean all blended saris are not comfortable. These are very soft, and I take utter care that I give you good quality even if it's blended. 3250. See the color combination, it's just like a silk print, but no, it's not pure silk product, it's blended product. You can understand from the price. It has lovely zari woven border and the print is in light brown color, figure printing with a nice floral self printed contrast blouse piece to go with this. Semi silk, soft, very soft. It's like, you know, I'll tell you the feel. It's like chinon. The feel, now I'm holding it, it feels like chinon, exactly like a chinon sari feeling. 3250. I have two colors, number 21. See the print, peacock blue color. When the print is nice, especially because it has the self-printed blouse piece and the border is in silver zari. This is the blouse piece. See the color? It's a very nice greyish peacock blue color, bright color. So whatever it's blended, I'll let you know. Whatever it's pure, it's always mentioned. So there's no hide and seek. Even in our Facebook page, the prices are all openly mentioned. The quality, the details of the fabric is also mentioned. This is also semi satin silk, blended. It has a satin sheen in this also, since it's semi satin, silver zari, 6200, beautifully intricately woven. This is the back side, and here comes the woven blouse piece. So when I'm giving it to you in satin silk, pure Katan satin silk, the range comes from 18,000, 19,000. So 1/3 the price, almost 6,200, as I said, I think so. Yeah, 6200. So it's a very pretty sari, economical range. You also need lower range saris sometimes, not always fancy ones, but these are nice quality. And looks good on wearing also. Very smart looking with a stripe woven blouse piece, as I said. Color is navy blue, and here comes the blouse piece weave. This is the pallu part, and here comes the woven blouse. Now 3 colors I have. Number 23 is in bottle green, semi satin, bottle green with stripe woven blouse piece. Silver zari, and bottle green and silver, navy and silver, all these go very well with silver. These are very fine. The satin is also come back very well, and see the fall of the sari. I'm draping it, I'm opening it just to show you the fall of the product. So here also you can understand the quality. See, yes, so beautifully it will fall. I have a Rani color also, nice hot pink color with silver. $6200. All the prices are mentioned in the description part. See, so pretty, gorgeous color combination. Blouse piece. Closely I am showing you the weave. Now coming to another very reasonably ranged sari. Chanderi Banarasi blended. This is also blended. This is Art Chanderi. Semi, it just looks like a semi katan sari. 3,500 only, 3,500. These are not handloom products. You can understand from the price, but these are good quality art silks. For gifting also these are very nice, because the look is very very natural, real. It just, if you just see it without myself telling or you seeing the price, it looks very much like a pure katan. Another color, black. And all antique zari. Who will say it's a 3,500 rupees sari? 3,500. I am draping it so that you can understand the fall of the product, because whenever we hear it's art silk, we have a mind block that this thing. Yes, of course there are quality. Of course there are quality, no doubt about that. There are many, like silks also we have so many qualities. Even in art silk we have many different quality, but as I always say, I give stress on quality and finish. So even on a 3,500 rupees sari, you will get good quality and finish. Third one, very beautiful color combination, in between a pista and a grey beige color, you can say. Red border, pallu, 3,500, 3,500. See how the diagonal weave will go, and with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, woven blouse piece. Very pretty color combination. Only 3,500. Number 28A, semi satin, art satin silk, not handloom, silver grey color with light gold zari, soft, rich woven border pallu, 6,200 with woven blouse piece. See the color, and since it's satin, semi satin silk, it's satin. Like satin, it will have a sheen, but not tissue. It's not tissue woven. The fabric itself is like satin, has a shine in that. This one will also have a shine, but it's not handloom, it's power loom. But very gorgeous, and price wise it's really gorgeous and very good quality. Let me tell you, not only price wise, this is a very good quality semi satin silk. 6,200. B, lime, all very hep colors. Not only the color, just check out each naqshad, each buta, how well this has been woven. The border, how well this has been woven. 28B with Again, rich, gorgeous stripe woven blouse piece. Here is the sari. Stunning, stunning. Very pretty saris and very comfortable also. Peach. Deep peach color. Very pretty color. This is such a sweet, cute color. And again with this zari stripe blouse. The pallu weave is so pretty. 620028C. See the fall. Very pretty. $29, like the mannequin is wearing. Same fabric, semi satin silk. The color is powder blue with navy, with contrast navy woven blouse piece. Zari is silver zari. See the color combination and the rich woven border and the blouse. See? Very pretty color combination. Even the mannequin is wearing a pink and a red color combination. 6500. These are all 6500. Red and a pink color combination. Coral color. With again this woven blouse. See the gorgeous pallu, the weave in the pallu. How gorgeous the weave is. The color combination, very soothing. And we have these ready-made blouses also. These are also available in big sizes, 42, 44, 46. And the sari is 6500. Number 30, yellow. Quickly I'll show you the colors. Yellow and mustard. I'll just, yeah, sorry for the interruption. Yeah, so this is yellow and mustard. This is also a very pretty color combination. Yellow and mustard, very gorgeous, very rich color combination. See the colors, all with silver zari and price 6500. Can you see the combination? So for those who are looking for a little budget friendly saris but in very pure good look, so these are ideal. You can select from here. This is a lavender pink color sari, light mauvish pink. Very unusual color combination. Strawberry pink, mauvish pink color. A tinge of mauve is there with a Rani hot pink blouse and a border. This is the blouse piece for this. Same price, 6500. Last one, number 32, is in the mint green color with bottle green combination. So some budget friendly sarees for you in this episode. So Sanskriti Kolkata tries to cater to all pockets. from premium range to economical budget friendly range also, but in good quality. So this is a lovely combination again. With when you wear it with this contrast blouse, this will really stand out. Stripe blouse, very smart looking. All 6500, semi satin silk, woven Banarasi. So that's it. Thank you so much.